The Sprint Insights feature of Agile Analytics can provide you with a fully automated overview of what tasks were completed in each sprint, and if work was feature work or non-feature work. I'm sure we've all been there, that we had to go over a sprint backlog and take each completed item and categorize it into feature work or non-feature work. Using Agile Analytics, that manual work is now a thing of the past. Using deep learning AI, Agile Analytics is able to establish the type of work in your backlog. With these reports, you can see what the teams are actually working on and how much time was spent. Agile Analytics provides these fully automated insights into the balance of feature work versus non-feature work.